In today's lesson, we're learning English by talking about music. You'll hear Mark and Sophie share their favorite songs, music styles, and how they listen.
All in simple English you can use every day. Let's begin.
Hi, Sophie. How are you today?
Hi, Mark. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great. I was just listening to some music. What about you?
Me too. I can't start my day without music.
That's true. So, what kind of music do you like?
I like a lot of music. I enjoy musicals and songs from long ago, like from my parents' and grandparents' generation. I'm not a big fan of the newest music.
Interesting. I like all kinds of music, depending on how I feel. Sometimes I listen to new music, and sometimes old music. I also like songs that friends recommend to me, or that pop up on streaming apps.
Oh, me too. Streaming apps are great. You can find songs that match your taste, and new songs come up all the time.
Exactly. How do you usually listen to music?
I mostly use my phone and streaming apps, but sometimes I also go to live shows or musicals. There's nothing like hearing music live.
I agree. I love going to gigs. The energy is amazing when musicians play in front of people.
Yes, live music feels different from listening at home. I love musicals because I live near the theater district, so I can watch a lot of live performances.
That's awesome. I also like the radio sometimes. I have a few stations I trust because the presenters have good taste in music. They play songs I might not find on my own.
I usually listen to the radio for news, not music. But I like that going to gigs introduces me to new songs and artists.
Who are you a big fan of?
I'm a big fan of musical theater performers. Their voices are incredible. And you?
I'm a fan of legendary musicians from the 60s. I try to see them live if they're performing. But I also enjoy new indie and pop bands in smaller venues.
That's cool. So we both enjoy music, but in slightly different ways. I guess that's the beauty of music. It's for everyone.
Absolutely. Music makes life more fun, no matter how you listen to it.
I couldn't agree more.
Let's share our favorite playlists later.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it.
Words and phrases. Let's review some useful words and phrases from today's lesson.
Musicians. People who play music or sing. Example, the musicians are playing guitars and drums on the stage. Musicals. Shows or movies that tell a story with songs and dancing. Example, we watched a musical about love and friendship last night. Generation. A group of people born around the same time. My parents' generation listened to music on cassette tapes. Fan. A person who really likes someone or something, like a singer or band. Example, I'm a big fan of Taylor Swift.
Streaming apps. Apps that let you listen to music or watch videos online. Example, I use a streaming app to listen to my favorite songs every day.
Musical theater. Live shows with singing, dancing, and acting on stage. Example, we saw a musical theater show in New York last summer. Performance. When someone sings, plays, or acts in front of people. The band gave a great performance at the concert. Playlists.
A list of songs you choose to listen to. Example, I made a playlist of relaxing music for studying.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.